Good morning, everyone. Just getting ready to head back on the route. Just left the hotel, stopped the sheets, got some food and stuff, and now we're gonna be on this Route 11 for a little while, and then we'll make it back to where the trail end crosses, and then we're on 11 again for a little while. But yeah, had a great, relaxful stay, and now we're on our way. What's up, everybody? Man, today so far has just been amazing. Once I got out of the Stephen City area, it's been on mostly quiet gravel roads, and went through a big wooded section that was all posted and everything, which I wasn't planning on camping there anyways. And then I'm going way downhill and waiting until y'all see this view, because I just come around down that road right there and turned that corner to here. But check this out. I don't know how well the colors are coming out, but holy cow. Down here, the color's still good. I think up there somewhere is where we're heading. I know we're going up and up and up here at some point. Alright, about 10 minutes till 9 and we're up and going. Took a while to get packed up this morning. It was just cold. It's funny, on this side it's all posted. On this side it's all national forest. Yeah, let's get going. Today's not gonna be easy though. It's about 20 miles of all uphill. And in about 2 miles, we have a mile to a mile and a half section that you more or less have to hike and bike, because it gets to be rough single track. But we're on the Cedar Creek Trail. definitely been a hiking bike. It's just been rocky as hell and bunch of trails half-ass overgrown. It's just been a rough time. And having to pick the bike up over trees and stuff. It's been today's gonna be a tiring day. It's been all uphill. It's like, not really just uphill, it's just been steep in parts, not steep in parts, but I haven't been able to go out of 1 or 2 gear on my bike. What's up, everybody? Right back there is where this came from. Man, that was rough. Actually, some of y'all may not know, but I used not to bike pack or anything like that, but I used to do mountain bike trails and stuff like that when I was younger. And all that came back to me on that stretch. All the rocks and the logs and stuff. 2 miles of single track, which they say is 1.5 miles to 2 miles of hiking bike. I had to push the bike for about 1 mile of it, and I would say I probably got to ride it for about, well, no, I got to ride for majority of the last half mile. So we still way behind on my normal pace though. It's 11:30. We've gone 4.8. Back to the forest roads. Just come down that, and we still have a lot of uphill left, but I'm just thankful for the downhill right this second. Oh, big dip. Whee! Gotta tell you though, side of redwood paired with the redshift seat post, man, this thing handles bumps and everything with these 2.3-inch tires. I'm so glad I went with a mountain bike tire for this route. It would have been a pain in the butt in some of these spots with the thinner tire. And a wider tire just helps smooth out the bumps when you don't have really any suspension. Alright, we're picking up speed, so I'm going to have to get both hands on here because we are flying. Going about 18 miles an hour right now. Woo! And it's bumpy and I just got one hand. Yeah, buddy. Alright. Starting uphill. That down was fun while it lasted though.